Hi, I'm Teresa with Integrity Roofing and Painting, and today we're going to look at a claim summary from one of our clients who happens to have Liberty Mutual for their insurance. A couple of the things that we'll look at on the claim summary will be the cover sheet and the summary pages. Also, we'll want to take a look at the replacement cost value and the actual cash value that's included in the claim. We'll go through line itemization and we'll look at the special feature that's just in the Liberty Mutual Safeco claims called the MRP. Some of the items that are important to understand when looking at your claim are the replacement cost value and the actual cash value. The replacement cost value is the full amount for the replacement of that item. In this case, it'll be the roof. The actual cash value is what the insurance company gives you to start the process, to get the job started. It's more or less a deposit to you. What is removed from the replacement cost value to achieve the actual cash value is the deductible and the depreciation. The depreciation you will get at the end of the job is recoverable most of the time. One of the features of the Liberty Mutual Safeco claim that's different than some of the other companies is their MRP. Their Managed Material Program. It's a co-op that they have used in reference to lower the price of the materials. In the Colorado Springs area, we don't actually have access to this particular co-op, and I've been able to do the research to confirm that. So that is something that often needs to get adjusted when you have this in your particular claim. As you can see on this Liberty Mutual claim summary, this is the summary page. It's generally the first page that they give you. The insured information is on the top, and the adjuster's information is listed below that. An important place to look will be your claim number. That is a reference point for all claim correspondence with the insurance company. Down below, you'll see that this item doesn't seem like it's a very important part, but it's important to know when the estimate was generated. This will tell you it was in Colorado Springs in April 2017. The price list is changing monthly, so this is a good reference point to know if the prices are up to date. This is more or less the most important page for your roof. For the claim summary, you can see it's a spreadsheet similar to Excel but different. It's using the Xactimate program. At the top, you can tell the dwelling refers to the house. That's the main house. Anything that's not attached to the house, like a shed or a greenhouse or a fence, would not be included in this section. Under the dwelling, usually the roof is the first thing that they will list. If you look across the top, you'll see that the description refers to the item that's being replaced. The quantity is the amount that they're going to replace. So 22.10 squares is really 2,210 square feet, because each square is 100 square feet. The unit price changes per month. They do the research to adjust this monthly, referring back to the price list in my previous comment. The estimate amount is a subtotal. This column is something that is used on Liberty Mutual and some of the other claim summaries. It's the additional. There's a note at the bottom that will tell you what's included in this. Often it's the taxes for the material cost. It's the overhead and profit. Any base service charges or labor minimums will be included in this column that goes down the page. The replacement cost value is a very important column. It details the full replacement cost of the item, and each one of these line items is listed here. The subtotal is down here at the bottom of this particular section. The depreciation is what is withheld based on the age of the roof. This final column is the actual cash value, and this is the amount basically that the insurance gives you to get the project started. One thing to note on Liberty Mutual and Safeco is they use a MRP price override on their materials. This is something that has to be addressed with them as it's not available in the Colorado Springs area. As you can see, they itemize the roof very carefully. The drip edge, the flashing, the vents, each item is listed by quantity. There's no rounding up, there's no estimating, it's exact units, and the price changes monthly. So this is the subtotal plus the taxes, which gives you this item, which is your replacement cost. So I can look at this and know that the roof replacement for the house is going to cost $7,848.46. If you look down a little bit lower on the claim summary, there's another section that is still a roof replacement, but this time it's not on the dwelling, it's on the shed. So they separated this out and made it a separate section with different line items. You're still removing and replacing the shingles and the vents and the drip edge and the felt, and the items are only referring to the shed. So if you look across your columns, you can go to the top and then scroll down, and you'll see that the replacement cost for the roof on this particular shed is $2,239.93. And when you total the roof replacement for the house and for the shed, it comes out to this grand total of $10,088.39. The only thing missing here would be the permit fee and any additional items. If they had mismeasured or miscounted, those items would be added to the claim as well. Summary page that's accompanying the claim summary. It will give you the totals of the dwelling minus any other depreciation, totals to give you, and the deductible, so you can see the amount of the first check that the insurance is going to give you. All claim summaries have these, and they look slightly different, but if you refer back to your summary page, either in the first or the end of your claim summary, you'll see that you'll have your totals here for quick reference.